Hello, I'm in a 2007 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how to add brake fluid. So first you open the hood, and then over here, this will be your brake fluid reservoir with a max fill line, and then the minimum a little ways below that. So you don't want it completely full, there's supposed to be a little air gap. And double check your owner's manual or good online source that the liquid you've got is the best fit for your make and model. But from here, you just unscrew this cap, and then with the funnel or straight from your liquid jig, just fill as needed to around the max line. Screw this back on nice and tight, and then I would double check too for any leaks through this reservoir or the lines leading to it, since you hardly ever should have to add liquid to this system. But that's it. I hope all this was helpful, and I hope you have a